How to fix headphones connected but no sound. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix headphones connected but no sound. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. To fix headphones connected but no sound, first check all physical connections and volume levels. So, first max out your volumes on your headphones using your dials or buttons on your device. After you've maxed out your volume, you'll need to check your physical connection, unplug and replug the jack or reset Bluetooth. So if you're on your Bluetooth, if it's turned on and connected to your headset, turn it off and then turn it back on. So after doing that, you can also, if it still does not work, you can try to restart your phone. So press on the volume up and power button together and restart the device. So you can also test it on another device, see if your headphones work on another device to identify if the problem is the headphones or the source device. So do that and check what the problem is. So if you've identified your device to be the problem, you can just, there can be the problem in the port. So you can just go to the nearest repair shop and get it repaired. If your headphones is the issue, there might be problem in the jack. So you can just get that fixed. And yeah, those are the fixes. There isn't much to do. Yeah, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.